Hello, welcome to Critic USA. The futuristic, heavily modified Volkswagen showcased here is a true masterpiece of automotive artistry and engineering. Displayed in a high-end modern studio with bright, professional lighting, this Volkswagen model redefines rugged luxury and aggressive style. Every element of the car's design has been thoughtfully enhanced to create a vehicle that looks equally at home on extreme off-road trails and in a luxury auto show. Starting from the exterior, the most striking feature is the aggressive wide-body kit, which immediately gives the car an imposing presence. The fenders are flared, giving it a much wider stance, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functional stability on rough terrains. The body is finished in a stunning matte yellow and black dual-tone color scheme, giving it a bold yet sophisticated character. The combination of these colors with sharp body lines ensures that it grabs attention from every angle. The front view is dominated by a bold grille design, complemented by sharp, futuristic LED headlights and distinctive daytime running lights (DRLs). The custom front bumper is integrated with powerful LED light bars, making sure that the Volkswagen not only looks incredible but also offers superior visibility for nighttime off-roading. The high level of detailing, with hyper-realistic reflections under studio lighting, brings every curve and edge to life. Moving to the wheels, the SUV is fitted with oversized off-road tires with deep treads, designed for maximum grip and stability on the roughest of surfaces. These are mounted on sporty, custom alloy wheels that add a dynamic flair to the rugged exterior. Thanks to its elevated ground clearance, this Volkswagen promises serious off-road capability while maintaining a commanding presence on city streets. The side profile offers a seamless flow of aggressive yet aerodynamic lines, with black accents complementing the matte yellow base beautifully. Tinted windows add an extra touch of mystery and elegance while maintaining privacy and reducing interior heat. At the rear, the custom bumper, dual exhaust setup, and stylish LED taillights complete the aggressive design language. Every detail has been designed with both performance and aesthetics in mind, making this Volkswagen a symbol of innovation and boldness. Captured in 8K ultra-high definition, every texture, color, and reflection is hyper-realistic, creating an almost lifelike experience. The studio lighting highlights every meticulous modification, making the car appear even more powerful and refined. Overall, this modified Volkswagen is the perfect blend of futuristic styling, rugged capability, and luxury finishes. It's not just a car, it's a statement of attitude and adventure. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to see more amazing vehicles and future car concepts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and incredible content. Stay tuned for more automotive masterpieces.